Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. Have a great day. Today is a day one. Your Unity weather forecast for today. At 7 a.m., it is 43 degrees. Today, we're looking for a high of 54. There'll be rain. It'll be mainly after 1 o'clock, so if you're going to do something outside, try to do it in the morning. It's a 100% chance of rain for later today. We're looking for somewhere between a quarter and a half an inch of rain, which is a decent amount of rain. Tonight, more rain. It'll be a low of 35, which is a little bit chilly. The rain could be another quarter and a half an inch of rain. On Thursday, slight chance of rain after 1, but it'll be 49 degrees and mostly cloudy. It'll be a lot drier and easier to get outside.
Graders, it is Wednesday morning. We are halfway through the week. I hope everyone is feeling all right and staying home and being safe. So a few things that I want to talk about this morning are routines and Shobi and your specialist teachers. So to begin, last Thursday, Mr. Morshauser and I sent out a question asking everyone what their daily routine is. And some of you had these really wonderful schedules printed off, hours of the day figured out, and they were amazing. Some of you just had more a general schedule of these are the things that you want to get done during the day. And then a lot of us said that you didn't have a schedule set yet. And I was definitely in that boat of not knowing what my schedule was going to be. I kind of knew what I wanted it to be, but nothing was set in stone. And now that we're a week into this, I have my schedule definitely, or my routine figured out. So on our daily question today, there will be 2 questions. One of them will be talking about your daily routine, and then the other one is, I believe, about animals. So in terms of my daily routine, I have it pretty much figured out now of how I'm spending my days. So I wake up and I work out in the morning. I work out on Zoom with my Burn Boot Camp. I'm able to see my trainers and work out with different people here at home. So that's been really nice to keep that in my routine. Then I actually get ready for the day, and that has been incredibly beneficial. And what I mean by that is I actually brush my hair, brush my teeth, and I put on regular clothes. I don't just sit around in pajamas all day. I feel like if I sit around in pajamas, all I want to do then is watch Netflix and that's it. So it's really helping me that I get up and get dressed for the day. Then I eat breakfast, and after that, I get on my computer. And once I'm on my computer, that's when Mr. Morshauser and I talk. We post things on Shobi. We send emails. We send this video. All of those good things. And then I'm pretty much on my computer all morning. I'm not watching TV or anything while I do that. I turn the TV off, and I basically do schoolwork and find things for all of us to do. Comment on Shobi, reach out to a lot of you. A lot of you have been sending emails or just chatting, which has been really great to connect with a lot of you. So if you ever want to just send me an email, feel free. I love to talk. Then I eat lunch. Typically during lunch, I do like to go outside for a little bit, or just spend a little bit of time outside, especially since it's getting a little warmer out. Today I was able to go outside with Big Beard, and we were able to do some raking in the yard for just 30 minutes, and it was really nice just to get outside. And then I was able to come back inside, and I went back to work basically. Checked in on Shobi, checked my email, and then I started reading my professional development books and even some of my own choice read books. So that's been really great. And then in the afternoon or late afternoon, Bear and I go on a walk or a run every day. Sometimes Ryan joins. It just depends what he has going on. So it's been really great that we have that walk built into our schedule. Bear loves it. So that makes it so much better. And then we eat dinner, and that then typically at night, that's when I let myself watch some TV and relax, and then I still go to bed at a pretty decent time, so that way I can, or go to bed early, so that way I can get up and get going the next day. So that's what my daily routine looks like. So one of your daily questions today will be asking what your daily routine is. If it's changed or if it's the same, either way, it's totally fine. Just let us know, because the daily routines are super important. So that was the first thing. Second thing, your specialist teachers. I am challenging all of you that you need to email or connect with your specialist teachers. So your goal today is to at least email, comment on Google Classroom or Shobi or something, whatever your specialist teachers have asked you to do during this time. Please connect with them. Mr. Morshauser and I have connected with a lot of you, and what we have going is really great. But you also saw a lot of different teachers at school, and it's really important that you connect with them. So today, you need to email or connect with those teachers, at least one, if not all of them. So that's your challenge for today. Now I'm going to switch around views and show you a few things on my laptop, and then I'll let you go so you can enjoy the day. All right, sixth graders. So this is what I wanted to show you. IXL, are mainly used for language arts and math, but IXL, like the corporation, they opened up free IXLs for science and social studies. And I was like, like what can they possibly put on there for social? It's like IXL stuff. And honestly, sixth graders, it's awesome. It is really, really great. So specifically, if I go under like the topics, they have topics about geography, economics, culture, civics, U.S. history, world history, and global studies. If I go to grades, and if I go to sixth grade here, I found like the best ones ever. And they're right here. It's the P's, Early Americas, Foundations of the Maya, Inca, and Aztecs. And I was like, whoa, this is awesome. And I went through and answered all the questions. I love that a lot of them have to do with like pictures and maps. So today I'm going to assign these 3 IXLs. Social studies IXLs, P1, 2, and 3 about the Mayas, Incas, and Aztecs. I really just want you to give them a try. Start with the one that you did your informational writing on, and then try the other 2. If you can get up to 70 or 100, that's amazing. But at least try to answer like 10 to 20 questions on each, just to try them out and see what's there. And feel free to look at all the different other ones that are in here. I mean, they have a ton of things that we don't have time to cover, but that you may be able to cover next year and the years after that. So they have like the early Americas here, but then down here they have like the Americas geography. So remember when we had to like memorize where all the there's Canada. All of the Caribbean islands and Central America and South America countries. There are IXLs to help with that. So this would have been super helpful for when we were studying. But I want you just to feel free to explore this. It's actually been like really interesting, and I've actually like enjoyed looking at them and doing them myself. I think one of my favorite ones was in 5th grade. And under 5th grade, they have obviously like continents and oceans, if you want to practice that. The 50 states, the American Revolution. All of these things were things that you learned last year in 5th grade. But the one that I really enjoyed was looking at the 20th century American history and learning about the different world wars and the Great Depression and I just found them to be very interesting because with all of these questions, they have like little lessons with them. And trust me, give them a chance. I love history and learning about this kind of stuff. So I know there are others of you out there like me. So check out these IXLs. Look at all the different grade levels. Even second grade has some pretty good ones, and so does eighth grade. So take a look, browse through them, maybe have teacher siblings something. But the ones I definitely want you to do, or at least try, are the early America ones about the Mayas, Incas, and Aztecs. Last thing I want to show you, as always, we have our Shobi Unity Digital Connections. We have all of these folders, which is awesome. Make sure that you click on a folder. So for example, the reading log, which all of you need to do, click on the folder, and then if you click the share item, you'll see the reading log, which you have to do. So make sure you are checking all the folders every day. Yesterday we had a TED Talk that was super good called the Super Mario Effect. Make sure you watch that video and answer the question. It's all underneath here in these shared items. And in science, you were doing this really great stuff with astronomy and with planets. So make sure you look at your science exploration as well. Math, fun stuff. Just as always, sixth graders, make sure you look at this every day. And like I said, we comment on it quite a bit as well. Last thing, here's Bear. The timer is going off for our breakfast, so I'm gonna go eat, but I hope everyone is doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.